Cause I've wasted my time. Wasted my time trying to deal with my body. And that's a very hard thing to do when you take the thing back of my mind. Just to live this world behind. And I'm not the only one who would like to see my God living in tranquility. You and I see and it's only we are free. Show yeah. We can live in love like sisters and brothers. Well, in this thing together, can we all just live our souls I don't know why they don't want to leave this one. They don't give no for rights and justice, but they talk about peace and love. I don't know why they don't want to leave this one. They don't give no for rights and justice, but they talk about. Give me one shot. Listen, I'm inside you. Dirty Babylon, be careful what you saying. What you are chant, Jah is a listening, and all the dirty moves that you are planning is just a watching. Listen, so don't you like you know what you are doing, what you are doing, what you are doing. Yeah, Zimbabwe, give it up for city culture. Yeah, that big champion, we're not big champion, we're big champion. Give it up for city culture. Yeah, man, blessed love Zimbabwe, you don't know. Yeah, me don't sell a culture. Remember, I never want to carry a culture, you see. Because Luciano the messenger. What's up? Give it up. There is no need for me to fear, cause Jah is always there. For me, I know He cares. There is no need for me to fear, cause Jah is always there. He guides me along the way. Mix me, put your place, come on, guys. Celebrate for what you want, you got about the rest. Yeah, no, enough respect, enough thanks. Give it up for the engineer, Ross Johnny. He came all the way from Cape Town to make sure the sound is right for you, my people. That you deserve the best, because you show much interest in I&I. Thank you so much for your love. Enough respect to Chipper's promotion. Security tight. God bless every time saying Dr. Gwen to big up himself. Ras Nama. Enough ice pack saying, and the entire band and harmonies. Hard-working people. Give it up for the hard-working band. More fire upon them. Thank you so much. Enough respect. Minister Kasaka in the house. Yeah, this one. Living Kate also. Tempest Christine, I know you love this song. Saying, from the tourism board. Watch it. Guess I've wasted my time. Trying to deal with my mind. All the tickles in the back of my mind. Turn around. Just to leave this movie. And then I wanna find out the world. But I know I'm not the only one. All the life to see it. Man can live in tranquility.